Hello there, this video is for you if you're attempting to select between two of the best phones money can buy, a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus iPhone 13 Pro Max. Showdown is just what you need. And before proceeding further, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Watch the full video so that you don't miss any essential information, and if you like the video, please leave your comments below and give a thumbs up. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Video. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra can capture video at up to 8K at 24 FPS, whereas the iPhone 13 Pro Max can only record at 4K at 60 FPS. Only the iPhone, however, has a cinematic mode for video, which includes a rack focus effect and automatically shifts subjects according on who is speaking. The portrait video mode on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is not as intelligent. An auto-framing feature on Samsung's phone allows it to track up to 10 people and keep them in focus. So, how about the video quality? I utilized the 4K setting on both phones to record this fountain in Midtown Manhattan. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has the advantage of being able to zoom up to 10x. Whilst the iPhone 13 Pro Max is limited to 3x. With the Samsung, I can approach closer to the ocean. When I pan up, the blue sky and clouds are beautifully clear, but when I pan down, the green plants on the right side of the frame look washed out in the light. This is not the case with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I love the image of the water in the iPhone 13 Pro Max clip, which appears sharper when played back at full screen. And I can see little things like the 1251 on the flag and the letters on the food trucks a little better. However, when panning swiftly with the iPhone, I detected more distortion than with the S22 Ultra. Do you agree with this selection of phone? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to see more content like this. I have many more videos about technology on my channel. Check it out. Until next time.